Hey there everyone, welcome to Tech Basis. Today I'm going to show you how to download the Macquarie Bank app. Alright, let's get started. Grab your phone and tablet and open your App Store. Depending on your device, it will be either the Google Play Store or the App Store. In the search bar at the top, type in Macquarie Bank app. You should see the official Macquarie Bank app appear. Look for the Macquarie Bank logo to make sure you got the right one. Here, just tap on install or get depending on your device. The app will download and install automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few minutes or some seconds. Once the download is complete, tap on open to launch the app. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and launched the Macquarie Bank app. Now you can explore all the features it has to offer and enjoy the convenience of mobile banking. If you have any questions or run into any trouble, leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you guys. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on my future content. Thanks for watching.